Welcome to Mindful Art at Home, exploring natural dyes. Natural dyes are dyes or colorants derived from plants, invertebrates, or minerals. For today's exploration, the following materials are required: watercolor paper, a paintbrush, a pencil, a teaspoon, a glass of boiled hot water, paper towel for cleaning, and small cups or containers used for mixing dyes. Some ideas for items to use to create dyes right from your kitchen. Please note you do not need all of these items, just pick 3 to 5 that you already have in your kitchen. You could use ground spices, coffee or cocoa powder, dark leafy greens, berries, brewed tea, broccoli, carrot, or any dark sauce such as soy sauce or tomato sauce. Before you get started, pause this video now and get all the materials you need. Remove distractions from your environment. Get comfortable and settle into your seat. When you're ready to start, take a new breath and check in to see how you feel today. And when you're ready, let's begin exploring natural dyes. Once you've gathered all your materials together, take 1 teaspoon of each spice and decant it into a cup or container. I'm using turmeric, ground coffee, paprika. I also have 1 blueberry and 2 leafy green leaves. And this is also some hot water. Pop 1 teaspoon of each spice into a cup or container. Then add 2 to 4 teaspoons of hot water to make a watery paste. Use a spoon or paintbrush to mix each spice. Make sure you clean your spoon or brush in between mixing so you do not contaminate the colors of the dyes. To release the pigment in the leafy greens or berries, all you need to do is crush them with your fingers or a spoon in a cup. You can then add 1 teaspoon of hot water to help release the pigment. This can get a little messy, so do use your paper towel to clean off your fingers in between mixing. Once you've mixed all of your dyes, you can create a color swatch. That is a sample of the dyes that you have made. Dip the paintbrush into your water, then into one of the dye mixes. Paint a small circle on the paper to reveal the color of the dye. Repeat this step for each dye. Make sure you wash your brush thoroughly between each sample you record. Notice the colors of each dye as you apply them to your page. Notice how some spices have undissolved granules. This creates a lovely texture. Try rubbing the leaf or berry directly into the page. This will create a darker tone of color. Once you've made a sample of each dye, put this page to the side to dry. Taking a new piece of paper, play with making abstract lines and shapes with your colors. Notice what happens when you mix or allow colors to blend into each other. Again, you can rub the leaves directly into the page. This will create a darker tone. Continue filling up the page, exploring all the different dies that you've made. Once your colour swatch has dried, take a moment to write down the names of the items that you used under each colour. As they dry, they may begin to change in colour and tone. Reflections. What did you discover? How do you feel now? Thank you for taking the time to nurture your creativity at home.